please like and subscribe to the video. We're on live with a boy at Car Show and Sema, so let's get into it.
Hey guys. Pretty nuts. And I'm trying to get you guys as much as I can as we're walking through. It's just a lot to get through. But thank you guys for hanging. We appreciate you. This thing's freaking wild. So there are tons and tons of cars here. Where's everybody watching from? Where are you guys all from? Hey, Sean B. What up, man? Orlando, that's where we're from. Houston, Germany, what's up, guys? Orlando, Maryland, Miami, what's up, guys? Thanks for joining. Miami, Ukraine. We appreciate you guys joining and watching. We are live again from Sema 2021. We are in the Toyo Tread Pass currently, connecting two of the halls here at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Toronto, baby. Oh man, it's hot out here. And then they started robbing all the engine parts off. They just took tickets. West Palm, Oklahoma, Bristol. Thank you guys for joining. We appreciate you watching. Patrick, yeah. What's up? San Francisco, Malaysia. Look at this, guys. I got a pickup truck up there. Yeah, I mean we're gonna do a little bit of walkthroughs too. I am gonna be posting a lot of things to our reels, and also our TikTok. Liberty Walk Corvette. Man, I'll tell you, the weather right now in Vegas, it is, oh God, what is it right now? So 73 right now. It was actually pretty cold last night and this morning when we woke up. But the weather here in Vegas is always super beautiful right around now. Northern Ireland, man, thank you guys so much for tuning in with us. This is awesome to see where you guys are all from. From Russia. Donuts and Booty, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Nissan Jesus, yeah, I actually have the camera on a gimbal. So we have the new iPhone 13 with the gimbal on here to try to keep things as smooth as we can. And then I think there are, yeah, so there's actually some more cars out here that I'll run out here for you guys. And I lost Cody, the guy that I came here with. What up, guys? Thanks for sticking through. I wanted to show everybody as much as I could of the Tread Pass. This is one of my favorite areas at all of Sema. You'll see some of the cleanest builds out here. Donuts and Booty. Donuts and Booty.
Yeah, I just put one of those on.
Costa Rica. Hey guys, a huge thank you to everybody that's tuning in with us here. We are live at Sema 2021. I've said that about 100 times and I'm sorry. Oh shit, dress up bolts. Dress up bolts if you're still watching. So that's it, guys.
Sorry for your banging in the background, guys. It's just some construction
What's
going on
good, hi buddy?
outside.
So now we pop that on the other side. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in with us. We really, really appreciate it. We wouldn't be here without all of you guys. And I'm going to walk you guys over one more time to our favorite car here in the Toyo Tread Pass. And I'm going to walk up behind it here and show you guys. So this was built by our good friends at Attacking the Clock Racing in Orlando, Florida. So we actually share shop space with these guys. And it's been amazing. I'm going to actually do a little bit of a recap of the build of this car on lowerlifestyle.com. You can see here they actually added us to the rear kickout, which is super nice. These guys are crushing it. If you're not following them, make sure to do so. So sick. So that's it, guys. This is the Toyo Tread Pass at Sema 2021. Oh, look who it is. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sup? Hey, guys. Also, this man right here, it's a wedding in like 1 month, so we're actually here doing Sema for part of the week. And then we're doing his bachelor party. Just on Instagram. Alright guys, so again, wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in. Terminal, what's up? The yellow... Oh, this one over here? Real quick. Yeah, do a quick walk around of this one too. I didn't really get it from the front. Bachelor party in Vegas. Let's go. Let's go, Kelly. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. This year is definitely a little weird, but figured you guys might appreciate it. Hey, from Russia. What's up? So what I'd like to do now, guys, we are going to go live again. But we're going to go inside the convention center because I know that we are... What's up, man? We've been out here for a little bit in the Tread Pass, but...
Sorry guys for that. I'll be back in. Is it over? So play. Hello. See if it's. So please like and subscribe to the video. Thank you. Bye.